Then if you get this is place, or then if you live, yeah, here, so then what will you do?
Oh, if if I lived where in this place,
Yes.
I think I would go every day. For breakfast, for lunch, for dinner, and my free time, so I could, read a book
Yeah.
and then fall asleep.
Oh, bro, how are you?
I am okay. And how are you?
Yes, I'm great. Thank you for asking now. Yes.
You're welcome. Oh, where
Yes.
where are you? Are you in a vineyard?
So what? Yes. So I am stay. Yeah, my country. Its name. This is name is Bangladesh. Okay, right now. So
Okay, okay, very nice. All right.
I am stay. It's long time.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, very nice.
Yeah.
All right. So, what is your name?
Yeah. My name is Nuruddin. Yeah. What about you?
My name is Joe,
Oh yes.
and I'm from England.
Oh, in England. But in England, where are you living now?
I'm in Dover. I'm in the southeast
Oh.
of England.
Oh. Okay. So
Mhm.
its place. Do you know this is place?
I don't know this place. Is
Okay.
it
So
is it a
yes.
vineyard?
Yeah.
Do you make yes?
Before 1 month, okay, this is place, yeah, was very wonderful. Okay, so this is, yeah, before 1 month it's was cut. Okay, but it's has done for cutting. Okay, but it's now new. This is the leaf. Yeah, new. This is the leaf. Yeah.
Okay, the new leaf.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, because this is tree garden.
It's a tree garden.
Yeah.
Ah, okay. Very
So
nice.
yeah, when do you want to in the morning now to drink? Okay, tea. Okay, or then coffee. With this is tea.
Ah, wow.
Yes,
So so in the morning, so you get out of bed and then you go to where you are now and
yes,
you take
yes.
the
This is
leaves
the
and okay.
yes. This is the now. Yeah, our village time now. This is the yeah in the evening time now. Okay, yes. So in afternoon
Mhm.
time, yeah, it's not afternoon, but evening coming soon. But yeah, I'm stay. Yeah, this is my bliss. Okay, so my bliss. This is the very wonderful. Okay, so then in the afternoon, okay, in the evening time. So I want to move every day because yeah, I think that if I move this is place, but I can enjoy many things, but my conceptual knowledge it will be very fresh. I want to fresh my mind, so all time I think that I have to move.
Ah.
Yeah, yeah,
Yes, this
yeah,
is a very good idea to
yes, yes,
exercise is great.
yes,
Exercise makes you feel good. Yes.
yes. So then yeah,
Hmm.
you can also yeah see from net, from Google, from YouTube channel Bangladesh Tea Garden. Okay, so then you can see this is very wonderful. Okay, because so I told you before 1 month it was very nice. So then it's left, yeah, yeah, cut done. Okay, but it will be left
Hmm.
new now.
So when you say before 1 month, do you
Yeah.
mean 1 month ago?
Yes, yes.
Okay, so 1 month ago, the trees were really high.
It's will be, yeah, that is will be,
Ah, okay.
yeah, yeah,
Okay, very nice.
yeah.
And how do you get from home to where you are now? Do you walk or do you drive or do you cycle a bike?
Oh yes, okay, okay. So yeah, yeah. For I have to stay now only walking. Okay, I'm walking. I'm walking. Stay now. Yeah, there are, yeah, 15 minutes. Okay, I have to walk. So then I have gone. This is place. This is tea garden. Beside
Okay.
there are, yeah, you can see this. This is the very very big in the field. They are playing football, cricket, hockey. There are many many people.
I
So
think
then you can see this.
from here.
Yes,
Okay. Okay. From here, it's like they are ants. They are ants playing.
yes,
But
yes, yes.
yes. Okay.
Actually, yeah,
So,
yes, I love my uh, garden. I love my village. I like my field because I think that, yeah, when I will free. Okay, when I will be free. So all time I think that if I free, but I have to move now. This is the very wonderful place. Okay, so all time I think that.
mhm. Yeah. So this is your happy place.
Yes, yes.
Ah.
So then,
Okay. Very
okay,
nice.
okay. So then, if you get this is place, or then if you live, yeah, here, so then what will you do?
Oh, if I lived where in this place,
Yes,
I think I would go every day. For breakfast, for lunch, for dinner, and my free time, so I could, read a book
yes,
and then fall asleep. Uh, that's it.
yes. It's very great, excellent, excellent, very well, and
Mhm,
wonderful. Your idea, yes. So more and more time. So yeah, they are living more and more people. They are living, yeah, educated person. They are living, yeah, big city. Okay, this is the building, many many, but they don't see any time. Okay, this is the green tea garden. This is the big in the field. This is the very very big tree. Yes, but we
mhm,
only this is tree. Okay, buy this is tree. Okay, buy with this is big
mhm.
big tree. So then we will play, but we are playing cricket. This is the cricket ball. We buy this is
Ah,
tree. By this is big tree. Okay, they are making.
oh, I see, I see. So
Yes. So
they
then I,
make,
yeah, yeah.
yes.
Now tell me.
So you make the tea from the small trees
Yes.
or the big trees, or both of them.
Yes, yes, yes. So then, I think that if you live here, so you think that I think that you will enjoy many many things. Okay, yes, but yeah, yeah. Don't you see? Okay, yeah. Did not you see? Yeah, this is tea garden live anytime now.
No, I don't think I have ever seen a tea
Oh,
garden.
this is the
I
only.
have seen, yes.
Yes, yeah. This is the only first time now you're was for watching.
It's
Tea
o-
garden.
it's
Yeah.
only so yeah, my first time seeing, yes, this is my first time seeing a tea garden.
Wow, very good. Okay, look at this is tea garden. This is
Okay.
where they have done only this is they have done
Ah,
they have done only
okay.
this is okay.
Wow.
It will be finished. Then it will be, yeah, finished, and we can drink by this is many many tea, green tea.
Lots of tea. You
Yes,
can swim in the tea.
yes. Beside, there are another place. It's very
Hmm.
big river.
It's a big river, and
Yes,
do you swim in the river?
yes, yes.
Very nice.
So
Every day?
no, every day, every day not, but sometime. But this is now our country. This is the Friday. This is Friday, very our country holiday. Okay, so then I think that this is now our
Ah,
holiday, but I can move.
very nice.
So
So you are not working today.
no, no, no. So yes. So I think that if you stay, this is place. So tree garden, big field. big river, you will enjoy many things.
Yes, I think now, right now, I go to the airport and I fly to Bangladesh.
Yes, okay, of course, of course.
Okay. All right. We have 10 seconds left. It was
Yes,
very nice to meet you and good
yes,
talking with you.
yes.
Okay. Have
Okay,
a good day.
okay,
Have a good day.
bye bye.
Goodbye.
Okay, love to meet you.